Well, good afternoon, magandang hapon, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. I just received a phone call from a friend of mine, and he seemed pretty excited on the phone call. And he said, "James, I got this new toy, and it has to do with cleaning windows, and it's got the best results that I've ever seen for cleaning windows, especially those that are high and out of the area where you normally can't reach and you need a real tall ladder." Well, I decided to go ahead and allow him to drop it off over here at the house today, and we're going to do some testing of how good this system works. We're going to do a sort of like a product review of a system that's based on deionized water. Anyway, let's go ahead and get today's episode started. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Well, like I said in the intro, that we have a system that we're going to be testing today. My good friend Ed Rowe, remember we did a video review of his restaurant right here in Lipa City. Restaurant that's Mexican restaurant, Que Pasa. Well, anyway, this system behind, he purchased this system right here to do window cleaning, and we're going to go ahead and see how well the system works. Is it hype or does it really work? So I'm starting to get some understanding of the components of the system right here. Let's go over here and take a look at it. Let's just sort of take a look at the components here. We have this telescopic extension pole, correct? And this will help us reach very high areas. And we have some high windows on the other side, which is going to be really important that I can never get to myself. And we have the brush, we have the hose that's going to go from this, and this is probably the biggest key component of the system right here. This is the deionizer, and the deionizer, it's basically going to take the minerals that leave the spottiness. Let me show you what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the minerals, what they do to your window. You see this right here? All this scale, this calcium, this lime built up right here. Well, that's from my pop-up irrigation system using the existing water here inside the subdivision. And when it sprays on top of that, what happens as it dries, it leaves the components, the mineral components that's inside the water on my windows. And it just wreaks havoc with the windows on our house right here. Now what the deionizer does, the deionizer is going to strip away all those materials, leaving us with perfectly clean water. So they say. That's the advertisement. Water has a bunch of mineral components inside, things like calcium, magnesium, sodium. Those are like the minerals that, if left alone, they will dry on your windows, just like what we have over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to hook up our regular garden hose that has all those mineral elements inside there. Up to this should strip away all of those minerals, and then we're going to do some window washing. I don't know really how it works, and we're going to watch and see how it actually works. So for testing the system to see, we're going to do a pre-test and a post-test. So we're going to do a pre-test through our regular garden hose. This is the water that comes from our subdivision, and we're going to test it on this electrical, this TDS meter that he has right here, this electronic device that will test the hardness, the water hardness. And then the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to connect this up to the deionizer that should filter out all of the mineral content inside there. And this is post. This connection is post after the filtering goes on through the system right here. And then we'll do another test and look at what the value is at that point. And the value is between 147 and 150. Let's see, is that a parts per million? So ppm, parts per million, that's how much mineral content we have through the basic water. All right, let's go ahead and hook it up to the system here and do a check after it goes through the deionizer. I actually had to go inside and swap out the GoPro. The GoPro failed. If we were doing a video review of the GoPro today, it would be a really bad review. So it died, but I have the iPhone, so we're going to continue with the iPhone. All right, let's go ahead and sample this water after the deionizer. One.
Yeah, one.
Okay, I got the one. Okay, all right. What's the next step?
You put this brush.
Connect the brush accessory to the end. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Like this.
Other end here is going to connect to our water output of our deionizer. And there's the water flow from the brush. Okay, these, you know, I can see this would be really good for solar panels on the top of a house. All right. Okay, we'll start. Yeah, we'll start there. Do you know how many meters this extension pole is?
10 meters.
How many?
10 meters.
10 meters. Ah, our house is 9 meters high to the very top of the roof. Okay. So now he's going to extend it out just a little bit, and we're going to do the bathroom windows way up there. It used to be such a nightmare trying to get a ladder crawling up on the roof to be able to clean those. A lot of people are going to ask the question, okay, it's being washed, but I don't see anybody doing any squeegeeing of the window on here. Well, that's the whole thing, the whole basic concept, the idea behind deionized water. Because the reason that you squeegee the water off with regular water that has all the mineral contents inside of it is because as it dries, it leaves those mineral contents on the window, and it requires, you must do the squeegeeing with that. Whereas deionized water, there are no minerals that are inside the water for you to require to squeegee off. And when it dries by itself, it will dry perfectly clear. So this is going to be the ultimate challenge. This is why a lot of people will actually hire companies that have this type of a machine with the telescopic poles to come out and do their windows, because obviously I can't reach that. Even my tallest ladder doesn't allow me to reach that. Last time we had this done was when we did the refresh last year on the house and we did the painting, and they cleaned the windows. So that, like that window in the center and the top, that's only been cleaned like a couple of times in almost 10 years that we've been here in the Philippines. Now this is the ultimate test of the telescopic pole inside here. We're going to see if they can get now from grade to the very top, the apex of the roof is 9 meters. And this is a 10-meter pole we have right here. But you got to see we're also at least 2 meters down into the ground right here for the basement. So it's going to be tight. So I think this is going to answer my question. Are we going to be able to get that highest window from at least 2 meters down below grade in our basement? And the answer is yes. Look at there. It's the perfect amount. That's with the full extension all the way to that. No scaffolding, no ladder, just the telescopic pole. One thing I wanted to show is just a couple of the components of the extension pole inside here. This brush assembly right here, you see this piece right here, you can pop it up and you can set the angle. So if you get into a tight spot like what we did just now between our stairwell, the railing, and inside here, you can actually angle it at a hard angle. Or what you can do is you can keep it flat if you're in an area that's right directly in front of you. So that made it really easy to accommodate all the different type of scenarios, the little squeeze areas that you might need to get into. Also, what I noticed was I think it's fiber carbon pole inside here, because it's extremely lightweight, but it's also extremely strong. You can feel, you have a high confidence level that this thing is not going to pop in the middle of a real high extension type of a cleaning scenario. Now, my final thoughts on this deionizing water washing system. I'm really impressed. It does a lot better job than what I did in the past when I was doing it myself, and that was using this sponge kind of a thing at the end of an extension pole to get up there, but it doesn't get in the edges. It doesn't get in the cracks and the crevices around the window where it connects to the frame, like the brush system that's on the deionizing system. And this is my squeegee that basically connects over it, and I can squeegee. But the squeegee often leaves marks, and it also, if you do the cleaning in the middle of the afternoon, like we did here with the bright sunshine on there, using my system side, it leaves horrible water spots all over the window. Where this, even when it's drying, there's nothing left behind. That deionized water gives a 100% clean window, as you saw from some of the videos that we did today. Now, people are going to ask about prices for a system like this. I don't know the exact price, but I think it's probably, in pesos, it's probably somewhere upwards around 100,000 pesos. Now, is it something that I would purchase for here at Villa Feliz? I would say it's not really effective for somebody who washes their windows on the outside a few times a year, 3 or 4 times a year. But I would hire a company that uses this exact system right here. It's much more cost effective. And of course, you don't have to do it yourself. You have somebody that comes inside. So I don't know if Ed is going to provide a service like that with the system that he has right here. But if you want questions answered just like that, send me an email at mypidream@gmail.com, or even on the YouTube video site here on My PI Dream. Leave a comment inside there and I'll put you in contact with Ed, or try to get the answer. Anyway, I'm going to close for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed. You'll be notified the next time I upload a new video, if you ring that bell. Anyway, until next time, from right here in the very beautiful Philippines with clean windows, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.